Hola mi gente bella, hello spooky hoes. I am back to show you a new bag that I added to my collection. I originally had just bought one. I just found the second one the same week that got the first one, so I decided to go ahead and make this a whole video. Originally I was just going to film this for TikTok and Instagram, but I said I need to return to the channel for spooky season, and what better time than now to do that. If you are not familiar with the brand Femme and Noir, they basically are able to license like certain Paramount and Universal films. And so one of those films is Sleepy Hollow featuring Johnny Depp. Have been wanting this pumpkin bag for so long. When I was back in New England this year, I was able to go to Sleepy Hollow, travel around. I was able to see the pumpkin all over the place. This specific pumpkin I have wanted for like a year or so, but it is really impossible to like find it online. Just there's like not a lot of people selling it. So I basically found the first one on Depop, and then I found the second one that you're about to see me unbox on eBay this week. And the person had both the large and the small. And these were really the only three listings online that you could find anywhere. And I've been searching for months and weeks. And finally, I found them. The Femme Noir honestly makes some really cool stuff. They have like Beetlejuice. They have the Trick or Treat movie. They have all kinds of spooky treats for everyone. I also really love them because they're really size inclusive. So they go all the way up to, I believe, like a 4XL or 5XL. So they carry like dresses and pants and all kinds of things, and you can dress like your favorite spooky characters, as well as get really cool bags that relate to the movies. However, the only thing that I wanted was the Sleepy Hollow bag, and I could not find it, but I finally found it. So without any more rambling, let's go ahead and show you the unboxing. I see it. So this is the Sleepy Hollow film jack-o'-lantern pumpkin from the movie. Basically, it was immortalized into a purse, and I've been wanting one so freaking bad. But like nobody's selling it, literally nobody. It's still listed on their website, but it's sold out. And I looked like on Facebook threads and stuff, and the company itself says that they weren't gonna remake them, but they were still on their website, so I had hopes that maybe it'll come back in stock. But I went on Depop the other day, and this person listed a new listing with the large pumpkin bag, which was the one I wanted. We have the beautiful jack-o'-lantern face, the stem. I love that it actually looks like a real jack-o'-lantern. Like, it comes with this strap to hold it, and I believe it also comes with a body strap. The material itself, I believe it's a PVC vinyl. On the listing, she did say that there was like some marks and stuff, but I saw that the company mentioned on Facebook in a thread that they could use like a magic eraser to get rid of them, so I'm probably gonna try to use that to get rid of it. But honestly, I don't mind. I just wanted the bag. I have the zipper on the top, and it opens, and it has Sleepy Hollow fabric, which is just beautifully illustrated. I love it. It reminds me of like the book, like what you would see on the inside of a book cover. And then you have the tag that says La Femme et Noir, and it says Sleepy Hollow. And then we have the body strap. I love that the metal they used on this is silver, because most of the jewelry that I wear is silver, so it's gonna match perfectly when I wear it out. So you wear it across your body, over your shoulder, or just wear it like if you're going trick-or-treating, or like an actual purse, which I'm really digging this style, because I tend to hold my bag like this. As I mentioned, I've been looking for these bags for like over a year now, and basically I recently have been like on Depop and eBay and other websites trying to buy the bag, and I also signed up on the website to be notified if they relist them and bring them back in stock. And so now I was trying to get my hands on the tiny bag, and this morning I literally paid $100 and some change to get the tiny bag because somebody had some new listings this week. And friends, you won't believe, a little bit later in the day today, the website La Femme Noir messaged me to let me know that the small bags were back in stock and we can purchase them. And it was cheaper than a bag that was already like bought by somebody else on eBay. Like, so sometimes it pays off to wait, and sometimes you just have to snatch it up while it's available. Nonetheless, I'm excited to have this in my bag collection. I found the second bag for the collection, and I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and show you it. Here's the box. I also just see that they paid at $20 in shipping, which is really crazy, but it got here super fast. From what the eBay listing says, this has never been used, so it's still in its original packaging. It's so cute. I will say, like, I wanted the bigger one, but now after having both of them, I feel like they are really different in size. Like, I feel like this one is more convenient for traveling. Let's open it up. It's so precious. So I've seen some other people say that when they got theirs, there were like scuff marks and stuff, because I can tell this has never been used. Like, this is stuck. Like, but I do see like a scuff mark there and on the bottom. So I did see a lot of people say that when they got theirs brand new, there were scuff marks. So maybe expect that, but it does come off with a magic eraser from what the company says. So I'm definitely gonna get some because both of my bags have some scuff marks, but they're not noticeable at all. So again, this is like a PVC vinyl material. It feels super sturdy and it's also super like buttery soft. And yeah, look how freaking adorable it is. So the stem is like a brown, like really dark brown. And then this, I really love that they went with a paler orange versus like an actual like super bright Halloween orange. I think it's, I don't know, it blends in really nicely. The eyes, the nose, and the mouth are all hollow, just like the big one. And you have the metals on the side to make it into a crossbody or an actual like purse strap. And then the top opens up with a zipper, just like the big one. Yeah, everything is like really brand new. Look at that. So here we have the straps. I'm really excited about this because my other one, it was used only like a few times, but it didn't have like all this stuff. So I'm definitely gonna keep this one in this bag. So basically it's the Sleepy Hollow, just licensing. It says Sleepy Hollow, Femme Noir, Paramount on the back, 2022. We have this little melted candle wax logo, which is really cute. On the inside, again, we have that infamous lining that reminds me of like a book. And then also you have the logo on the inside. This one is way smaller. Like it definitely fits my phone, wallet, a couple of things, honestly. But my other one basically fits like my iPad. That's how big it is. So right off the bat, you can see there is a huge difference in size, even in weight. This one feels just very heavy, and this one just feels very lightweight, kind of like a purse or just like your average size bag. And this one just feels like you're carrying stuff, and there's nothing even in here yet, so it is pretty heavy. And just as a size comparison, again, like you can totally see the difference. It's just so much tinier than this one. And this one is just really big, like really big, but I think this one's really fun and I'm definitely gonna be taking this with me on trips and stuff because I just feel like it's an eye catcher. It is definitely a trendy bag and I really love trendy bags and a statement piece. So this is definitely that. And this one I think is more like an everyday. Like you can take this with you to work, to go out, and you're not going to break your shoulder using it. But I think equally they are beautiful bags and just hold so much, which is what I really like and look for like in bags. Like you want bags that can carry your phone, your wallet, and all those things versus just like small one zipper bags that don't really hold anything. In my opinion, I think they're a really good price. This one is 78, I believe, and this one is 98. So the MSRP is really, really good for what you're getting and the quality is amazing. I will say that again, they kind of get like scuffed up pretty easily. So you definitely have to be careful when you're like putting it down somewhere or like when you're traveling with it, and always have like a magic eraser or something to clean it up. For the most part, like they're really great material and quality. I think Femme Noir does a really good job with their bags, and I haven't tried any of their clothing and stuff, but I do follow some people who are like really into their clothing and wear them in their videos and stuff and say that it's really good material. Now again, this bag isn't for everybody. It's definitely for us spooky hoes, but I think it's definitely a great bag to have in your collection, whether it's to display in your closet or your home, or to actually use it during spooky season and all year round, because it's definitely a bag that you can use at all times, which I'm planning to use, honestly. Like I think it's just a really great statement piece. Like I mentioned, it's just beautiful to have in my collection. I'm really excited that I have both of them. So again, I'm gonna link down below if it's available, but you can again check their website and sign up to be notified when they're available again, because they will be available again, I think. But if this one is available, I want to say, I'm assuming that this one will be available whether in the next few weeks or in the next couple months before spooky season gets here. And make some eBay alerts and Depop alerts so that you guys can find them like I did. I will say I paid a little bit more for this one than I would have liked to, but it's because I thought I wasn't going to be able to find or get this one and that the company wasn't going to make anymore. If you can find a good deal on them, I highly recommend getting them because they are really, really great quality bags. For me though, I'm definitely going to be putting a lot of care and love behind these because they are really hard to get your hands on, and I'm so glad to have them in my collection. I don't really have too much else to say, friends. I think this video is going to be a little bit short, so if you like this video and want to see more spooky stuff, make sure you follow along because I am back on YouTube for the spooky season, and I have lots of code oranges coming your way, lots of little hauls, and then when October gets here, lots of fun coming your way. So I will see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and be sure to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, my website, and I will see you very soon. Take care, keep it spooky, y los quiero mucho.